I'm Aziza Hurt, and I'm sponsored by Golden State Foods as an AMT in the Fame on the Plains chapter. I heard about Fame on the Plains when I saw a banner at a Skills USA competition. My interest in the Fame program came from me wanting to expand my electrical knowledge, and by getting in Fame, I was able to learn more about the craft and also learn the manufacturing side as well. Fame is a technical program coupled with a professionalism boot camp type feel. The difference with the Fame program would have to be your ability to learn in the classroom and learn on the job. I go to work 3 days a week and I go to school 2 days a week. Fame will help me in the future with my career by giving me 2 years experience before I'm ever graduated from the program. I also will learn lean manufacturing and 5S. Going into a job, I'll know how to conduct my own safety meetings. I'll have a sense of professionalism that most people coming right out of college do not have because they aren't in those situations. With the traditional college experience, you're going to be paying money to learn a new skill. In the Fame program, you're going to get paid to learn a new skill, meaning that you're going to be able to work and make money instead of just purging money out at a college, not knowing if you're going to get a job after you graduate.